Well, there are many cookbooks out there geared towards meals for kids, but there's a new one coming out next week called Chef Junior.
Yeah, I love this idea. So how does it stand out from those other cookbooks? It was actually written by a team of kids. So joining us this morning, we have one of the authors, Paul Kimball.
Good morning.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Paul, for joining us. First of all, kind of tell us what this book is all about and how it was to write it with a team of kids.
Yeah, it was absolutely amazing. One of the challenges we had was actually all of us authors are scattered across the continent, not just here in Michigan. So it was hard to communicate and stay coordinated, but we ended up using an online workspace called Slack, and it really helped us stay communicated and make the book the best that it could be. But it was also really fun because, obviously teens don't normally get to publish cookbooks, so it was such a great and rewarding experience to be able to write one. And I also got to learn a lot. I got to work with recipe testers from all over, people I didn't know. And I learned that some adults don't always answer their emails or do what they say they're going to do.
Now, Paul, I have to know, how old are you? I mean, you are one impressive kid.
I'm 15.
All right. So coming out of this, I guess, what are some easy snack ideas for kids that you learned along the way of making this book?
Yeah, I love making a homemade trail mix. It's easy to make and it has a bunch of protein and fat, so it keeps you full till dinner. Another great one is Veggies and Guacamole. This is one that people don't think about sometimes because veggies can be a little bit plain and boring on their own, but once you add guacamole, then it gets a lot more flavorful and interesting. And another one is Popsicles. This is normally seen as a dessert, but if the Popsicles are just made from yogurt and fruit, then they can be a great afternoon snack as well.
Okay, I love this. This is such a cool idea. I would have loved to do this at your age. Talk about how people can get this book and maybe what are some of the bonuses that come along with it when you do get it.
Yeah, it's available for pre-order on Amazon, but also if you go to kidscookrealfood.com/chefjunior, there are some bonuses like videos from us authors and extra PDFs and cheat sheets.
Okay,
that is
very
awesome.
cool. Well, we appreciate your time. Thank you so much. What an awesome thing that they all got to experience together.
Amazing.
And you can pre-order your book or learn more at kidscookrealfood.com/chefjr.
I'm going to take some of those recipes home with me.
I know. I'm going to have to get that.